Hello friends, today we will learn that how to access the variables or functions from one file to another file. So let's start. First, I will run this file node server.js and open the browser. Now I will run localhost 2000. So I will get the message simply hello world. Now I will take two files over here. First file.js, and now here I will define a simple function get my record, and I will write this. Suppose it is returning a string, so return and my data. Now if I have to use this file in app.js, so first I have to export it. So module dot exports dot get my record equal to function name, which is get my record. This is the simple way we can access one function into another file. So if you want to access this, first we have to include it where get details equal to require slash first file. Now if I want to return the data over here like data, then what I will do, get details dot function name, which is get my record. And now if I will run this again, then refresh your browser and you will get that my data, which is not defined into app.js, but it is defined into this file. So we easily can access one function record into another file. Or I will show you another demo, that if there is any variable which is common and you want to access everywhere, so what you will do, define in that particular file that common variable and its value, suppose my name is Rinku. Now I want to access this at another file, so what I will do, I have to export first it exports dot common variable equal to variable name. And if I will use over here, then how I will use var name get details dot common variable. Now I will run this using node1, so we need to start and stop it again and again. When you will refresh it, you will get the variable name, which is Rinku. So here we can access this from one file to another, or suppose you want to work as an intermediate file, so here we will create another file, second file.js. Now again I will create one function over here, second function, and if I will access this record into this file, so first I will var include first file equal to require and that file name first file. Now if I will include here, suppose I want to return that name, return and this name, otherwise I want to return this get record function value, so return include first dot get my record. And if I will export this over here, module dot exports dot sec function equal to sec function. That's all. And now we will at the place of this we will include the second file, and if I want to get here the record dot sec function, and if I will run this and refresh your browser, so you will get the data, which is my data. Means from first file we just include it into the second file, and the second file we have included into our app.js. So this is all about the accessing the variables or functions from one file to another file in Node.js. So we can do it very easily. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any query, then you can comment me.